What if I told you that the greatest architect of your future is not your job, your family, or even your circumstances? It's your thoughts. Every single day, the things you allow to live in your mind are either laying bricks for the future you dream of or quietly tearing down the foundation of your destiny. Your thoughts are not just fleeting whispers in your head. They are seeds. Each one holds the potential to grow into something powerful, something real. And like any seed, what you consistently plant will eventually take root and flourish. If you plant seeds of doubt, fear, and negativity, do not be surprised when your harvest is frustration, failure, and regret. But if you choose to plant seeds of hope, faith, and determination, you will find growth, breakthroughs, and success waiting for you just down the road. Take a moment to reflect. Every invention, every success story, every transformation in history started as a single thought in someone's mind. Thoughts are the invisible blueprints of your reality. They are the architects, quietly sketching out the plans for your next chapter, long before you ever take your first step. Here's how it works. Your thoughts shape your beliefs. What you constantly dwell on becomes what you genuinely believe is possible. If your mind is filled with limitations, you'll start to believe in those limitations. If your thoughts are expansive, bold, and hopeful, your beliefs will follow suit. Those beliefs, in turn, influence your actions. If you believe you can't, you won't even try. If you believe you can, you'll move forward with courage and determination. Every step you take, every risk you embrace, every goal you chase, all of it begins in your mind with the beliefs you hold. And your actions, repeated day after day, are what create your future. Step by step, your daily actions become bricks in the life you are building. The habits you form, the choices you make, the persistence you show, these are all born from your inner world. So in truth, the life you're living right now is a reflection of the thoughts you've been carrying with you. Yesterday, last year, even 5 years ago. What you're experiencing today is in many ways the harvest of the seeds you planted back then. But here's the danger. Negative thoughts are like termites. They don't always make noise, but they quietly eat away at your confidence, your courage, and your dreams. Maybe you start telling yourself, "I'm not good enough, I'll never succeed. Maybe it's too late for me." At first, these thoughts seem small, harmless even, but over time, they erode your belief in yourself. And soon, you stop trying. You stop dreaming. You settle for less than you're capable of. That's how your thoughts, left unchecked, can quietly destroy your future. The damage may be invisible at first, but eventually the foundation starts to crumble. But here is the truth. You have a choice. Your mind is your garden, and you are the gardener. You can decide what to plant and, just as importantly, what to remove. Positive, empowering thoughts may not always come naturally, especially in a world filled with challenges and negativity, but you can choose to nurture them. And when negative thoughts arise, and they will, you don't have to let them stay. You can acknowledge them, then let them go, refusing to give them power over your future. It's not about pretending everything is perfect. It's about choosing what you allow to take root in your mind. So, how do you start planting the right seeds? Here are some practical steps to help you stay on the right path. First, be mindful of what you feed your mind. What you read, watch, and listen to becomes food for your thoughts. If you constantly consume negativity, it will shape your mindset. Instead, feed your mind with positivity, knowledge, and hope. Choose books, podcasts, videos, and conversations that inspire and uplift you. Second, practice gratitude daily. Gratitude is a powerful tool. It shifts your focus from what's missing to what's possible. It helps you see abundance even in difficult times. Start each day by listing a few things you are grateful for. You'll be amazed at how quickly your perspective changes. Third, surround yourself with the right people. The company you keep will either fuel your faith or fuel your fears. Spend time with those who believe in growth, resilience, and purpose. Let their energy influence you and be that positive influence for others. Fourth, replace negativity with truth. When a negative thought says, "You can't do this," replace it with, "I am capable, I am growing, and I will rise." Affirmations are not magic, but they are reminders of the truth you want to live by. Fifth, visualize your future. Every day, take a moment to picture the life you want to live. See yourself achieving your goals, overcoming challenges, and living with purpose. Visualization programs your mind, aligning your actions with your vision. Now let's be real. Negative thoughts will come. You're human. You will have moments of doubt, fear, and insecurity. The key is not to eliminate these thoughts completely. That's impossible. The key is this: don't let them linger. Don't entertain them. Imagine your mind as a house. When doubt knocks on the door, you don't have to invite it in for dinner. Acknowledge it, then close the door and move forward. Your thoughts are powerful beyond measure. They are not just reflections of your reality. They are the architects of it. Every day, with every thought, you are building something. So decide today. Will you let your thoughts build your future, or will you allow them to destroy it? Every time you choose hope over fear, belief over doubt, and faith over negativity, you are one step closer to the life you were created to live. That life is not built in a single day. It's built day by day, thought by thought, choice by choice. Guard your mind fiercely. Plant only the seeds that you want to see grow. Weed out the thoughts that threaten your potential. And never forget, your best future starts in your thoughts today. Keep building, keep believing, and remember, you are stronger, greater, and closer to your breakthrough than you think. The journey begins in your mind, but where it leads is entirely up to you.